Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto the video and joining me today. So these are the deals that I got this week at CVS. This is the week of April 12th through April 18th. I'm like, make sure I say the right week. So yes guys, I did go to CVS. It's actually Easter Day. I'm not going to post it today. Obviously, you'll probably see this tomorrow, Monday. So I did go to CVS early this morning. I went to CVS and Walgreens very early this morning. I was awake at 5 in the morning. I have no idea how, but I was awake at 5 in the morning. So I was planning out my deals, getting my Easter celebration ready and stuff. And I went and did my deals. So right now it's kind of a little break through our little activities that we're doing. So I have my daughter kind of doing a little quiet time. I try to get her down for a nap. Didn't work. So we just colored our eggs, and so we're waiting on that to dry. And while that is drying, I'm going to film my videos, and then we'll get back to it. So yeah guys, let me show you guys what I got. I didn't pick up too many things. Alright, sorry about that guys. I know I said I was going to film more in store or in the car or something. I didn't today because it's Easter and I tried to rush. I was rushing in the store so I can come back home to my family. So, and I knew I was going to film during Anna's quiet time, but my boyfriend doesn't have a quiet time, unfortunately. So I apologize for the noises you hear in the background. And I know some of you guys are probably asking, why does he play video games so much, or why is he yelling? He's a streamer, so he's also, I guess, videotaping. So he gets mad at me for telling him to be quiet because he's streaming, and so people hear that. But I'm like, dude, we gotta work out a schedule here because this is not working. We live in a 2-bedroom apartment. I'm rambling off, but we do live in a 2-bedroom apartment, so it's thin walls. You can pretty much hear everything from every direction. So anyways, yes, I went to CVS. I did a few deals. Now, guys, just so you guys know, I do go to the store. I know I'm couponing still, and I know a lot of people aren't, and it's all about staying home. I do stay home for the most part. The thing is, I do work out, or I do work outside of the house, and also I take very proper precautions. I mean, I always have when I'm going to the store. Plus, I try to go during times where nobody's at the store in the first place. So I go super early in the morning, 7 a.m. CVS, you know what I mean? Nobody's there at that time. So I can do my deals real quick and then I can be out. So that's how I work. I don't encourage anyone to go out during this time. Please don't, especially if you don't feel safe or if you don't want to do the proper precautions. No, you don't want to. It's better to stay home. I completely agree and I understand. And also, couponing online is actually pretty simple too. I mean, I know the stores are out of stock online. It gets out of stock easier, obviously, during this time because everybody's at home. But I encourage you guys to do these deals online if you can. It's better that way for you. I go out. I pretty much have to go out. And like I said, I go out very early in the morning before anyone's at the store. I wash my products. I not wash them, but sanitize them. I have hand sanitizer everywhere. So I'm taking the proper precautions for myself. So I don't encourage you guys to do what I do. Teach their own, do what feels right for you. So with that being said, I also do feel like mainly I did hair care deals, and I know let's just get into it. Let me just stop. Alright guys, so I'm going to try not to ramble off. So I know for some people these don't really count as essential items. For me it does because of the Head and Shoulders. My boyfriend has been complaining that he wants Head and Shoulders because I've been trying to coupon for other different types of dandruff shampoos. Like the last one I got was Dove. So I'm like, try something new. But he says it doesn't work. None of it works for him. Only Head and Shoulder does. I think it's a lie. I think he just has it in his mind that only Head and Shoulder works. But anyways, I got him his Head and Shoulders, so that's his Easter present. So yeah, it was an essential item to stop hearing him complain about Head and Shoulders. So let me tell you guys about the deal. The Pantene, the ones that I grabbed were the 17.7 ounces. So the Pantene deal, Rowdy, are you being serious right now? Rowdy. There you go, sit boy. So the Pantene deal is 3 for $15. I know there's the 3 for $12, and that's included. The 3 for $12 included in a whole, when you spend 20 you get 5 ECBs back, which I was gonna do. I was planning on doing it, but I only had $3. I only had the $3 off Pantene manufacturer coupon in the digital app. I thought I was going to be able to do both deals because we had that $3 off of $3 off Pantene manufacturer coupon from the P&G insert, but of course it expired yesterday. So I was only able to do the deal once, well, with Pantene once, so I decided to do the 3 off of 15 deal because I feel like that was a better outcome for me. So I grabbed that, and then I used the $3 off Pantene manufacturer coupon from the digital app, and I also have a $4 off 14 Pantene CRT that was attached to my account. However, that CRT did not come off. I actually had an issue with, let me just say it now, none of my CRTs came through, even my paper one, but I think that was more of a cashier issue rather than an issue with the actual items that I grabbed. I think the cashier just got confused and didn't really know what to do. So I will ramble off and I'll explain that in the end of the video. So anywho, I will be calling CVS and letting them know that that $4 off of 14 Pantene CRT that's attached to my digital app didn't come off. So really it should have though. So anyways, if it had came off the way it was supposed to, I would have only paid $8 for the Pantene, and then I would have gotten back $3 in extra bucks, making my final cost $5 or $1.66 each for the Pantene. I'm sorry if the camera is moving around too much. I have my daughter and the cat here, and they're both messing with each other pretty much. So next I grabbed was the Head and Shoulders. So I did this transaction right here together. I have one more transaction, but I also grabbed the Head and Shoulders. So the Head and Shoulders are 2 for $12. I used a $3 off Head and Shoulders manufacturer coupon from the digital app. I also paired it with a $3 off of 12 hair care CRT, which also, like I said, which again, the $3 off of 12 hair care CRT didn't come off. The cashier rung it up and everything, and I don't know what she was thinking. She thought it had came off, but it didn't. Like I said, I think it was just a cashier issue. But anywho, if it would have came off the way it was supposed to, I would have only paid $6 for the Head and Shoulders, gotten $4 back, making the final cost $2 or $1 each. Guys, $1 each for Head and Shoulders, that's a killer deal right there. We all know how expensive Head and Shoulder is. So let me show you the receipt for that transaction. In total, I got $7 and extra bucks back. So here is my receipt. As you can see, I bought the 2 for $12 Head and Shoulders and the 3 for $15 Pantene. So these are the manufacturer coupons that I used. That $8 and $4 was extra bucks that I rolled over. So, alright, so the cashier, I gave her a paper CRT, the 3 off of 12 hair care CRT, and then I had the 4 off of 14 Pantene digital. Those two should have came off fine with no issues. I just think because you know how it says pending, like the cashier, it does a pending validation, the cashier has to verify it and stuff. I think when it did that, it confused her and she thought that it meant that it wasn't supposed to go through. And I think that was more of a mistake on her part because she took the coupon and everything, the CRT, she took it and everything, but I think she clicked a button or something. I don't know, I don't work at CVS, never have, but I think she clicked something where it made it not go through because she has scanned it and everything, but it didn't apply. And so my subtotal, technically, after all my coupons and my ECBs, it was only supposed to be like $2, I believe. Yeah, it should have only been $2, but for whatever reason, I don't know what she did, but for whatever reason, both my CRTs didn't go through. However, I did get back my $3 for the Pantene. I got back my $4 from the Head and Shoulders, and I went back inside the store after I figured out what happened and what was wrong. I went back in the store and I explained to her that CRT that she scanned did not go through because she said at first she told me it did because I was like, no, that didn't go through, and then she was like, no, I did. And so when I went to the car to verify and make sure everything was okay, I went back inside and I was like, no, it did not go through. It doesn't say it went through. And it should have, because that alone is $12 just a Head and Shoulders, so it should have applied to the Head and Shoulders alone. So she's like, not trying to be prejudiced because I'm young too, but she was very young, and I just don't think she understands couponing. So she's like, you know what, I'll just give you the $30 CRT back. And I'm like, well, I don't want the CRT, but if you can give me extra bucks back, I'd appreciate it. And she said, yeah, no problem. So she did. Thank God. It really wasn't a hassle or anything. It wasn't a huge argument. It wasn't any really big issues with her. She kind of understood and just kind of went with what I said. So she did give me the $3 back and extra bucks. So I guess really it brought this $9. Why do I feel like I can't count? So it did bring this $9 to pretty much $6 for right now. And then I'm going to try to get that $4 off 14 Pantene CRT. I'm going to call CVS, let them know it didn't go through for my transaction. It should have for my Pantene because that's $15 alone. So it should have gone through. I'm going to call CVS and hopefully get that $4 back in extra bucks. So if they can do that for me, that would be great. That would pretty much bring my total down to $2 like it was supposed to be with my extra bucks and everything. So yeah, guys, I'm sorry for the little rambling off with the shampoo and conditioner, but you guys know the more you coupon, the more you start to realize issues happen, especially with cashiers who don't know about couponing or are a little afraid of when they see coupons. You know what I mean? You run into issues. Sometimes you have great transactions. You'll have huge transactions that are great, and then you'll have a simple little transaction like this, and it causes so many issues. So I don't get it, but that's the couponing world. Anyways, the $7 extra bucks that I received from this transaction, I cannot show it to you because I already spent it on my second transaction. So boom, boom. Here's my second transaction. Ignore my crazy family. So we grabbed the CoverGirl. So the CoverGirl deal is when you buy two, you get $6 in extra bucks back. I went ahead and I grabbed two. Give me 1 second because I'm looking at my notes and I'm looking at it from my tablet, and my tablet it closed. So yeah, so CoverGirl, buy two, get $6 extra bucks. I bought two at the price of $6.79. So these mascaras are $6.79. That totaled me $13.58. I used two of the $3 off CoverGirl Eye Product Manufacturer coupon. You can find that coupon in the April 5th Retail Me Not. So I paid $7.58 out of pocket, and I got back $6 in extra bucks, making my final cost $1.58 or 79 cents each, guys. 79 cents for makeup. Yeah, I'll do that any day. That deal, if I can find it. Yeah, that deal pretty much went through perfectly fine. I didn't have any issues with my manufacturer coupon. I wish I had the 3 off of 12 makeup CRT, but I did not get it this week. So yes, here it is, the two CoverGirls. These are the manufacturer coupons that I used. The only thing I'm a little upset by, as you can see, my subtotal was $0. I only pay tax. Cool, I guess. However, so the product, what I paid out of pocket for the CoverGirl is $7.58. My plan was to roll the $7 that I got in my first transaction, just the $7 into the second transaction. So I was gonna pay the 58 cents since it was $7.58. I had $7 in extra bucks. I was just gonna pay 58 cents plus tax for my second transaction. However, I know I had a $3 extra buck in my digital app. The cashier went ahead and applied it to this transaction. I don't know why she did that, because you know, extra bucks doesn't just take the remainder and you get to keep the remainder of your extra bucks. It was only 58 cents. I was only gonna pay 58 cents out of pocket plus tax. But that 58 cents, she used my $3 digital on it, and which made it which pretty much that $3, as you can see right here, that $3 extra buck, it only took 58 cents from it, and then the rest of that $3 extra buck I lost. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but I lost it because, like I said, if you have something that's 50 cents and you're going to use a $1 extra buck, it's going to only take the 50 cents. The rest, you pretty much lose it. It's not going to apply to your taxes or anything. So I pretty much lost what, like nearly $2, a little more than $2. Don't ask me to do math quick in my head like that because I can't. So yeah, I lost more than $2, which sucks. But like I said, I don't think the cashier really, I don't know, guys. I don't know. But anyways, Yeah, I didn't mean for that to happen. If I had known she was going to use that $3 digital coupon, because usually they ask you before they use it. If I had known she was going to do that, I would have told her, give me the $3 from the paper and then you can use it. What I mean? Like, I would have, but I wasn't thinking, and I was already confused with what happened with my first transaction. So I kind of let her do it. So whatever, you know what? I'll take the L on that. So yeah, I mean, $0 subtotal. Who's gonna really complain about that? So yeah, I only paid 69 cents out of tax, and as you can see, I saved 100%, of course, because yeah. And I forgot to show you guys my first receipt. I saved a total of 72%, which should have been more. Should have been like 95% or whatever. And I will get that $4 back. I will for sure. Anyways, I did get the $6 extra buck back for the CoverGirl. So I am hitting beauty. I'm actually going to be hitting beauty twice because I'm only $1 away from hitting beauty right now before these transactions. So technically I got $6, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got $9 in extra bucks, and I'm going to get another. Yeah, I have $9 right now in extra bucks. I should be getting $6 back, bringing it up to $15. And then if they give me that $4 back from that Pantene CRT not coming through, I will have a total of $19 in extra bucks. So happy about that, excited about that. Sorry for the little rant. Alright guys, so that is it for my CVS video. Thank you guys so much for watching. So yeah, really, CVS, not really essential deals this week. Really, safety first. You don't even have to go out. I really wouldn't recommend going out these deals. You can pretty much get them online. The only reason I went out, guys, like I said, I just didn't want to hear that one about this anymore. So really the only reason why I went out. But CVS, the deals, in my opinion, don't really seem like worthy enough, and it's not really a lot essential. I will say, however, stay tuned for my Walgreens video because there are a lot of good essential items on sale this week. So stay tuned to that video. I did go to Walgreens right after I went to CVS, so I will be posting that video very soon. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.